Para, yeah. Paradigm. What is paradigm? From the Greek word paradigma. What is paradigma? Okay? Patterns of behavior. Okay? Meaning to say, mati. What's the word? Diba? Ito is the way of doing things. Hindi na dapat inunahan ni Diyos. Tama? The traditional way. But kanina still innovate. Okay, so the lesson is simple. Unless you break paradigms. Ano ba? Paano sa behavior? Pagdili na ito na i-break. Wala i-breakthrough, you will remain the same. Paano na ito mo? Breaking rules? No. Right? But you are innovating. You are reinventing. You are recalibrating. Okay? So, again, I want to over-communicate. Simple lang. Break patterns. You have to break through. Tulaan ka na to. Break that one. Break the patterns. It is only when you break patterns, you will achieve different things in life. Okay? Ingay mo katapat, change paradigm.